How do I remove my AirPods from my previous owner's iCloud account?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the process of removing your AirPods from a previous owner's iCloud account. This is a common issue when buying second-hand AirPods or when switching iCloud accounts. The process is quite simple and only requires access to an iOS device.
What are the implications?
The first thing to understand is the implication of having your AirPods connected to another person's iCloud account. This means that the previous owner could potentially track the location of the AirPods and could prevent you from using them. Hence, it is crucial to unlink your AirPods from the previous owner's iCloud account.
How can I remove the AirPods from the previous iCloud account?
The previous owner can do this remotely. Kindly ask them to remove the AirPods from their iCloud account. They can do this by following these steps. 1. Sign into iCloud.com. 2. Click on Find iPhone. 3. Click All Devices, then choose AirPods. 4. Click Remove from Account. If the previous owner is unable or unwilling to do this, there's another way to do it, which leads us to the next section.
How can I reset my AirPods?
Resetting your AirPods to factory settings can help unlink them from the previous iCloud account. This will erase all the settings and data associated with the AirPods. Here are the steps. 1. Make sure that the AirPods are in their charging case and that the lid is open. 2. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber a few times and then finally flashes white. 3. You can now reconnect the AirPods to your own iCloud account by placing them close to your iPhone and following the on-screen prompts. That's it. Hopefully, this has solved the problem for you. You should now be able to use your AirPods free from any interference from the previous iCloud account. As always, make sure to check that you have the latest iOS software updates to ensure that everything works smoothly. If you have any further issues, consider reaching out to Apple support. Thanks for watching and happy listening.